안녕하세요, hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Ara.
And I'm Yumen. We are the co-sisters, students of Korean Pinay. Ayun, it's another day and it's another mini vlog na naman po kami. Madayaw Davao. Yes po, this video pala ay kuha nung nasa Davao kami. Shoutout po kay Kuya Driver. Binigay niya talaga ang sukle. Sobrang bait naman at nakaka-proud. Napaka-honest naman ang mga taxi driver dito sa Davao. And 1, 2, 3, hello, mic check, hello. Oh, di ba ang galing ng mommy namin? Habang nag-vlog kami, hindi pala naka-on ang mic. Ayan tuloy, hindi marinig ang boses namin habang nagsasalita kami. So by the way, we are here in Magsaysay Park, here in Davao. Isa sa sikat na pasyalan dito sa Davao City.
Here in Magsaysay, you might see the cultural attraction, and we call Kadayawan Tribal Village. Here they have 11 tribes. This represents the group of Aita, Manobo, Iranon, Maranao, Kagan, Sama, and other more. Culture and architecture, each house is designed according to the traditions of each tribe. Here you will often find artisans showcasing traditional weaving, craft making, and folk dance. And they also have souvenirs that is handmade products. And meron din silang activities dito sa Magsaysay Park. Merong biking, rollerblading. Sa labas naman, they have fruit stand. At may mga tindang durian, suha, marang, at may iba pa. At kung naalala nyo po, dating President Duterte ay sumayaw ng budots dito nung tumakbo siya ng pagka-presidente. At syempre, di pa huli ang mga inday. Basta proud Davaoenya, magsayo tag budots dire. Dito naman sa bandang seawall, makikita nyo po yung bagong bridge. And we call it Coastal Bridge dito sa Davao.
Nakikita nyo ba yan? Nakikita nyo ba yan? Ang ganda ng dagat, no? Pero hindi ako maliligo. Baka panay kamot ang katawan ko. At biglang umulan, so we decided na magsilong muna kami. Pero sabi namin kay Mami, we want to try bike here. Na-miss kasi namin dito magpasyal. And dito pala, you can find any bike you want to ride. There's small, there's big. And they also have rollerblades. Kaso hindi kami marunong. And may rules pala sila for safety. At number 1 rule, bawal ilabas ang rollerblades at bike. Dapat nasa loob lang ng rink. At kasama pala namin ang pinsan namin para masaya ang mga inday. Pero hirap na hirap ako. Hindi ako makapag-bike ng maayos. Naunsa naman eh. Tabang! Shoutout po pala sa followers namin. Dahil masaya kami, dapat masaya din kayo. Huwag na mahiya at maglaro na kayo. And they are also choosing what will they ride. After they choose, nag-start na pala sila mag-ikot. Enjoy po kayo and make memories dito. Ang saya-saya ng bakasyon namin. Maraming salamat din po sa inyo. And fast forward, dahil nagutom at nauhaw ang mga inday, and we went to our favorite halo-halo restaurant. Ang daming ice cream pala dito. This is one of the popular ice cream here in Davao City. Madaming kasi flavor and we want to eat durian na halo-halo. Ang daming gutom. Ngauntan ninyo mga kainday kilay.
Maura, salamat sa pagtanaw. Si tipo po nakapag-follow, please follow the co-sister po.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye.